Hey all, my name is Dr. Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is talk to you all about financial projections. Specifically, I want to make them easy when you're starting them. So for the financial projections, the way to make the financial projections easy, first and foremost, you have to remember financial projections are made up numbers. You cannot predict the future. I cannot predict the future. Your investors cannot predict the future. And bank loan officers cannot predict the future. Financial projections are just your thoughts and ideas about where you want your business to be for revenues and costs in the next 30 days, in the next 6 months, in the next year. So with that said, that is going to be the foundation or the basis of our assumptions for your financial projections. So first step is to go ahead and start with day one sales. How many customers do you want to get in your door on a daily basis? And once you're able to identify that number and make it a conservative number, don't go crazy and say a kabillion number of people in your door. It's not going to happen. Be conservative with your number. So just first estimate how many people you want to get in your door. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to multiply that by the average expected ticket. And I underline expected is because you haven't even started your business yet. And there's no way you know how many people you're going to get in your door day one or on average. This is going to be your thoughts and ideas. So what do you want the average ticket to be? What would you like your average meal to be per customer? What would you like your average sales to be for your bicycles or what your sandwich shop or whatever you're selling? What is the expected average ticket? So you're going to take your number of customers that you want to get in your door daily, and you're going to multiply that by the expected average ticket. That's going to give you your revenues for the day one or on average, an average day when you start your business. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and estimate your variable cost. Now, your variable cost is what it costs you to provide that service. So if you're a breakfast restaurant and you're selling pancakes and hash browns and bacon, then your variable cost is going to be how much it costs you to make the pancakes and to buy the bacon and to buy the hash browns. So that's going to be your variable cost, and make your variable cost a percentage. So if your average ticket that you're going to sell to a customer is $10 and you want your variable cost to be about $2.50, well, that's going to make your variable cost about 25%. So use percentages when you're dealing with your variable cost. That's another way to make this easy. And then finally, once you get your variable costs nailed down and once you get your average revenues per day nailed down, you're going to go ahead and multiply both by 30 days. And the reason you're going to do that by 30 days is because now you're taking your daily sales and you're kicking it out to monthly sales now. And you're just doing that by just easily just doing two multiplication steps, multiply your revenues by 30 and then multiply your variable costs by 30. Next thing what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and that is going to be your average monthly sales. Finally, you're going to go ahead and tie in your fixed costs, your rent, your utilities, your labor, any fixed costs like that. You're then going to go ahead and back out of your revenues, and that's going to give you your first month net profits. So hopefully this information is helpful. Just follow these 3 easy steps. It's going to get you through your first month. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. If you need some help writing a business plan, feel free to reach out. Thanks a lot.